Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you that one secret to identify a relationship, whether healthy or unhealthy. To understand this, whether a relationship, be it friendship, be it love relationship, be it girlfriend boyfriend relationship, or be it just friends relationship, any relationship having force in it is not a healthy relationship. The reason being, if you think you can force your friend to join a party just because you are going, and you feel that there are 10 people who are going to admire your friend, and so she should come along, is not something to really, a bettable discussion wherein she should actually agree to your thing, and she has every right to say a no if she does not want to be a part of that thing, because you don't have to be same to be together. Okay, so anybody who thinks that forcing you to be like them, or so if you have to be with them you have to do certain things, sorry to say, brother or sister, whoever is watching this, it's not a healthy relationship. Because if there are terms and conditions involved that you have to do this to be a part of my life, sorry, there has to be no checklist to it. Because a healthy relationship will never say to you that you need to do 10 things for me, then only I can do 5 things for you. Okay, so any relationship that is based on give and take, that is not a healthy pattern wherein there is more of giving and less of receiving, it's an unhealthy relationship. First thing. Second, if the relationship is having force in it, it is not a healthy relationship again. Because there will be definitely, if you are like a very close space husband wife, or like a very close relationship like a girlfriend boyfriend, no matter whatever amount of love you have, if you try to induce force in the relationship will die, because you did not force each other to love each other, right? You just effortlessly did that without being said that you have to love me. No, you did that on your own. When the love is not forced, how can other things be forced, right? So you need to understand that relationship which is healthy for you mentally, physically and emotionally is never going to have force in it. Anything forced is just not worth having. Just understand that. If you have to force somebody to do certain thing, just know it's not worth it. Because the other person would definitely do it in your influence, but they will hate you for doing, for making them do that thing, and rather forcing them to do that thing. So don't do that, and don't kill the spark of the relationship, be it friendship or any sort of relationship. And just respect the other person's consent. Just have that understanding that you don't have to be same or always say yes to every situation, and have no conflict or have no difference of opinion to have a healthy relationship or friendship. Because you are free to say a no if it's a healthy relationship, and you will always feel caged saying a no if it's an unhealthy relationship. You need to understand that if it's a healthy relationship, you will not have disputes for saying a no. Okay, the other person will understand, okay fine, it's her life, let it be. She's not the person I am looking for, but because I love her, I need to give her that space to be herself. Because if she cannot be herself in that person's presence, it's not a relationship, man. It's not a relationship. So you need to understand that any good relationship having healthy patterns will not have force, will not have dominance, that I am superior to you, so you need to bow me, or you need to please me. There has to be no people pleasing. Okay. And third, in a healthy relationship, you will always feel good after saying a truth, and you will not be penalized for saying a truth. Rather, the other person will make you feel good about it, and not make you feel like a prisoner of some place, or treat you like you did a crime by saying a truth. Because a healthy relationship will have truth, will not have lies, will not have people pleasing, will not have fake commitments, or some sort of pleasing gestures required to sustain a relationship. Okay, so understand, is it healthy for you or is it not healthy for you? And if it's not healthy for you, take a step back and remove that person from your life, or make room for better commitments and adjustments to make it a healthy version of relationship. Okay, that was all for this video, guys. Garima Pradhan signing off. Bye bye.